Hey there, within 1 minute I'm going to show you the exact same trade, the live trade which has happened, and I fucking missed this trade, but this trade has told me by my software, the software which I've created. I'm going to show you within 1 minute. So look at this. So this daily is bearish. The question from the software is coming, does daily is bearish? We'll go on a live market, we'll see, yeah, daily is bearish. We'll just say answer about yes and no. We just now daily is bearish, so we'll just click on yes button. So next question is, does daily is extremely close to the weekly fair value gap? It is not. We'll just say no. Next is daily week into the area of interest. So let's go over here. So we just got week into the area of interest. So we just say the yes. It's so simple. I'm just keeping this trading so simple. Next is the daily candlestick close on the area of interest. We got the daily candlestick close on the area of interest.
It's 8:15.
Yes, the question of the answer is yes. The answer of this question is yes. Next is the daily is below the area of interest. We are below the area of interest. The answer of this question is yes. You just need to click. Next is what? Then go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's go on the 4 hours time frame. Then the 4 hours is bullish. Right now the 4 hours is bearish. So we will just say yes. Then the 4 hours is sideways. The 4 hours is not sideways. We'll just say no. Then next is awesome. Then go for next step. This 4 hours is bearish. So does 4 hours break? And we'll just say yes, because the 4 hours got break. I mean, you won't be able to understand. Now the thing is going to be this. Now go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, which is how much seconds we have. Oh, we maxed out. But let's actually go. Next is the 1 hour. 1 hour is bearish. So 1 hour is bearish. So the answer of this question is yes. Does 1 hour is under the area of interest? The 1 hour is under the area of interest. The answer of this question is yes. Does 1 hour break and retest happen? One hour blue candle happen. So we got the break. We got the blue candle. The answer of this question is yes. So simple. The next is wait for retracement to the value structure. So we got the retracement to the value structure. I mean, this is not even a thing. This should be like this. This is what we are actually looking into. So we got 1 hour retracement. We got the 1 hour retracement to this structure. Yes, sir. So now next is this answer is of no. Then we need to wait for engulfing, shifter structure, or doji and push. So right now we will be waiting for engulfing. So we just got the engulfing right here. So we just say to this software that yes sir, we got the engulfing. So now it will ask like couple different questions. So but the answer of this is like, look at this, we got this trade and I missed this trade. Crazy. This is crazy. I'm going to share this on every single platform just to tell you that the software which I'm creating is going to be huge success for me. But why in the world I have missed this trade? Because I was literally not on the chart. Crazy. Signing off, boys. We'll talk later.